Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280 disconnected from game. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, go to Settings, select Apps, then open Installed Apps. Search for Roblox, click the three dots next to Roblox Player and choose Uninstall. If Roblox Studio is installed, uninstall it as well. Next, open your browser, go to roblox.com, launch any game, click the blue play button, and follow the prompts to reinstall Roblox. After that, press Windows plus R, type %temp%, press Enter, select all the files, and delete them. Finally, right-click the clock, open Adjust Date and Time, and make sure Set Time automatically is enabled. Restart your computer, launch Roblox again, and check if the error is resolved. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Error Code 280 disconnected from game. And that's it for this video. Thanks!